Welcome to Five Below. This is a dupe for Rhode by Hailey Bieber. It's like a little blush. It's cool. And this is also a dupe from Rhode for lip balms. And this is a dupe. AGA is a dupe for Summer Fridays. Oh my gosh, these are really, really good. They're like little whipped cream. I have one. It's really cool. Mine's called Sunday. This one is the dupe for Sunday, but it's also like a really good brand. Then this is a dupe for Drunk Elephant. Also a dupe for Drunk Elephant. It's a dupe for Rare Beauty. It's called Amora Beauty. It's a dupe for Rare Beauty. Like bronzing stuff.
See.
Body wash shake. I'm gonna look for some squishies. I'm gonna go squishy hunting. A watermelon scented bubble. I don't really like that then. Oh, it's a burger duck. That's the cutest watermelon ever. Best. It's a Fugler notebook. It's like a Harry Potter. How there's that scary notebook. These little watercolors and these little things. So cute. It's a mini art canvas. Look at how small they are. It's a snack shop. Bye guys.